Welcome back sa ating channel. Ngayon gagawin po natin ng reaction video ang live performance ng BE:FIRST at syempre ng SB19 sa kanilang collaboration na kanta na Toy Friend dito po sa All Out Sunday. Simulan na po natin ang ating reaction video. Let's do this.
Isa sila sa mga sikat na J-pop idols, kinilala para sa kanilang strong live vocals, songwriting abilities, and world-class choreography. Sila ang BE:FIRST. At dito sa AOS, be the first to experience their one-of-a-kind collab kasama ang Kings of P-pop and the first Pinoy act to grace the Lollapalooza Music Festival, SB19. Witness two elite pop royalties bring you Toy Friend, isang kanta mula sa 2026 album ng SB19, Wakas at Simula, performing on a special stage. Here's a history in the making starring BE:FIRST and SB19.
Intro pa lang, no? Grabe naman yung boses ni Olbap, man. Ganda ng boses eh, no? Hey! Kaya wala. Talagang kala mo recorded yung boses eh, no? Talagang napakaganda ng mga boses nila. Hey! Ba, may boses din? Talay ba? Maangas ha? Ano to? Wala ba silang ano rito? Hindi ba to in-announce na ano sa mga 18? Kumbaga, yung gusto kong sabihin, wala bang mga 18 dito? Talagang recorded lang. Correct me if I'm wrong kung recorded nga lang talaga to. Nice! Hindi rin pala basta-basta tong BE:FIRST. Itong pagaganda rin ng boses nila. May fans, no? Sinigawan si Olbap eh. Naghiyawan eh. Ito, marami rin fan to. Itong member ng BE:FIRST na yan. Hey! Maganda boss din nila pala. Itong BE:FIRST, no? Hindi rin basa-basa itong BE:FIRST. Quality rin yung boses nila. Rap. Nice, buja. Parang ang lit ng stage nyo, parang ano, nagsisiksikan sila, you know? Nag-iingat sila, baka mamaya magkatapakan sila. Hey. Wow. Ganda rin ang boses talaga nila, men. Solid. Bagay, hindi naman sisikat ng ganyang katindihan sa Japan kung ano eh. Kung pipitsugin ng BE:FIRST eh. Ito malakas dating nito, ano? Tama ba? Manato ba pangalan yan? Manato. Philip in the house, yo. The Toy Friend. Hey! Parang okay lang, no? Ano lang yung collaboration nila. Kumbaga, match na match yung collaboration nila. Parehas magaling. Wow! Ang ganda ng pagkakaano nila. Yung pagsasama nila, maganda. Stel! Grabe ka. All that in the house, yo. Another toy friend. Sino yun? Si Junan pala yun. Angas, no? Medyo maliit lang yung stage eh. Ang dami nila eh. Grabe naman yun. Oo nga, may mga 18 nga doon.
Well done, sir. All right. All right.
Wow.
The home of P-Pop All Out Sundays is very proud to have once again SB19.
Hello po mga kaayos. Ako nga po pala si Pablo. What's up?
Ako po si Justin. Ako po si Josh. At ako po si Ken.
Hello po, magandang araw. Ako po si Stel and we are
SB19!
Yes, sir!
Yes,
And
sir.
we are also very excited to welcome on the IO stage, Be First!
Hi, it's in the Philippines. We are Beavers.
Tangkad nito.
Yeah, I'm Ryuhei. Nice to meet you.
Hello?
Hi, I'm Sota. Nice to meet you.
Mm.
I'm Reo. I'm Shunto.
Ito parang may kamukha tong ano, no? Correct me if I'm wrong. Parang may kamukha siyang
I'm Jun.
member ng ano, ng
Hello.
BTS ba? Ito, to, no?
I'm Shunto.
Parang may hawig siya sa BTS.
Junon. I'm Manato.
Si Manato nga to.
Yeah.
Daming fans
Yeah,
ah.
we're so excited performing with the SB19.
Si Manato.
Yes. And actually, it's the first time to visit Philippines.
Mm.
So I'm so happy that I can see many fans in Philippines.
Wala mo subtitle to? Wala
Yeah,
subtitle.
Thank you.
All right. You have so many fans over there. Kasama rin natin ang translator nila na si Aiza.
Okay, may translator sila.
That was such a powerful collaboration between P-Pop and J-Pop. Nakasama po ng SB19 ang grupong Be First nung mag-perform sila sa Dance Universe Never Killed or Dunk sa Yokohama,
Dunk.
Japan. How did this partnership start? Ken?
Of course po, last year po kasi nakapag-perform po ako sa Dunk before, so that's where I get to know them. And then our fans, sila yung nag-push talaga for this collaboration. That's why. And then like, yung management po namin talaga yung tumulong din po para mangyari yung collaboration.
Wow.
That's why we are
Ganun
so
pala yun.
happy na natupad yung collaboration na to.
All right. Thank you, fans. Junon?
Kailan kaya sinut to? Hindi ko kasi alam eh. Parang hindi ko nabalitaan to may AOS sila. Pero may mga 18, di ba?
Yeah, last year Ken and I TikTok together at the Japanese event. After that, 18 and our friend Bestie became closer.
Bestie.
And that
Yun pala yung nila, no, yung fandom nila, Bestie.
led to our song collaboration.
All right.
Be First Bestie, no? Pwede.
So guys, why did you choose this collaboration? For SB19, why Be First? And Be First, why SB19?
Siguro po, syempre, yun nga po yung goal ng SB19 is to go global, to introduce Filipino music. And syempre, yung pakikipag-collaborate with Be First, talaga namang something na ina-aspire din namin kasi
Tama.
makikita mo na same kami ng vision, same kami ng passion pagdating sa pagpapalaganap ng sarili naming kultura and to be able to perform on the same stage as them. It's a very amazing. Tapos sa harap po ng mga Hapon, mga Japanese na talaga namang nakikikanta, nakikisayaw sa amin. It's a very proud moment for
Tama.
SB19 and of course to Be First.
Dapat talaga, no? Asians unite, no? Kaso, alam naman natin yung ibang mga Asian, kala mo, basta, ayokong sirain tong natin.
Yes. At syempre, di ba po, naniniwala po talaga kami sa talento ng mga Asian artists.
Yeah.
And we want to strengthen it and not just through this collaboration but through our cultural exchange.
Tama.
So po, it means syempre na maraming bagay na kahit hindi po kayo nagkakaintindihan, iba na yung kultura, it brings music, it brings people together through this music.
Tama. Nice, ah.
Yeah, because we share the same goal of bring our music and culture to the world.
Thank you. Thank you very much. How has
Pero paano
SB19
nag-i-English
guided
na?
you or helped you during your stay here?
We are planning to go out for dinner.
Let's go.
We are really excited to try some great food with SB19.
Yes, good food.
Yes, mga kuya!
Quiz.
SB19, kamusta naman ang Kasi ako, naubusan na ako ng English eh. Buti kayo, marami kayong baong English, si Stel.
Si Stel.
Actually, we don't talk to them in English. We talk to them in Spanish, right?
Talaga ba?
Hindi, okay naman po. Masaya sila kasama kasi kahit na medyo may language barrier, they try to connect and make topic po na mapag-usapan namin. That's why we really appreciate this
Uy, ba't tagang? Ayun.
Kasi hindi lang sila mabait as an artist but also as tao rin talaga.
Mhm.
Yeah.
We really feel your
Nice.
brotherhood. Thank you so much for that. Before we let you go, we'll give you time to share your message for your supporters. Rayo?
まずは初めてフィリピンに来る機会をくれた SB19 に本当に感謝の気持ちでいっぱいです。
Nag-thank you siya sa SB19.
First of all, thank you very much SB19 for inviting us to the Philippines. Grabe, napakalaki ng pasasalamat ko sa grupong ito.
そして初めてフィリピンに来てフィリピンのファンに会うこともできたのですごく嬉しい気持ちでいっぱいです。
First time nila sa Pilipinas.
I'm very happy din because it's my first time coming to Philippines. At the same time, na-meet ko rin yung mga fans nila here sa Philippines.
Nice.
そしてまた自分たちの単独ライブが夏頃できるように頑張っていきたいなというふうに思いますので、これからも応援よろしくお願いします。
And we are looking for your support in the
Yeah.
future as well because we plan to do our solo concert here in the Philippines again
Wow.
this summer.
Nangyari na ba yon? Kasi kung matagal na to, baka nangyari na yung concert na yon, no? Correct me if I'm wrong.
Thank you.
Thank you. Justin?
First of all, of course, we would like to give thanks to Be First for this opportunity. We're very happy to be with the song with you guys. And syempre, AOS, maraming salamat po. Of course, 18 and Bestie, thank you so much for supporting our song.
Nice.
For supporting our collaboration. Yeah, more music for us, international. So,
Yeah.
maraming salamat. Let's go.
Let's go. Thank you so much and congratulations SB19 and Be First on this collaboration. Isaac, thank you so much also. This is a great display of two worlds coming together through
Tama.
music. We hope to see more team-ups like this. Mga kaayos, asahan nyo na kami naman ang lagi nyong katandem pagdating sa isang masayang linggo. We have more in store for you when we return. This is the home of P-Pop. All Out Sunday!
Yeah. Ayun, sana nagustuhan nyo ating reaction video dito sa performance ng Beepers at syempre ng Mahalima SB19 dito sa kanta nilang Toy Friend. Maraming salamat. Ingat kayo lahat. Huwag mo kalimutan mag-subscribe. God bless and peace out. Bye.